Introduction to International Taxes Seminar. Earn 2 credits of Continue Professional Education. Enhance your value to a client or employer with international ties by providing advice on international taxation. This program gives you an introduction on the basics of international taxation. Objectives. This seminar will enable CPAs and other tax professionals to become more valuable by becoming knowledgeable about international taxation. Participants will gain a basic understanding of how to determine if an alien individual is resident or non-resident for tax purposes, find the source for different types of income and transactions, and use tax treaties to benefit clients and employers. Emphasis of seminar is on the following: determining days of substantial U.S. presence for aliens, exceptions to U.S. source treatment of certain types of income, resolving conflict between U.S. law and treaty law, claiming available exceptions and benefits under residence, source and treaty law. You will also learn practical tips on getting an ITIN for a non-resident investor in the U.S., avoiding U.S. withholding tax on inbound investments, complying with U.S. foreign withholding tax forms and reporting, FBAR and FACTA compliance issues. WHO should attend. Accountants and attorneys who want a general update and overview on U.S. tax reporting requirements. Senior associates and professionals who assist clients with tax implications of their global business, investments and financial assets, or bank accounts. Why you should attend. International tax services is a growing business. You will gain knowledge and forge marketing alliances with fellow accountants, lawyers, and other tax experts. Changes to the international tax reporting laws of the U.S. impact a great percentage of businesses, transactions and individuals' lives.